I've been needed to make a PSA about this, but I recently got a bunch of fake Pokemon cards that I didn't even know were fake. So you can tell, so I'm going to show you how you can tell based on only these vivid voltages. If you open these up, which I will do right now, you notice that the first card you see is always flipped. This is not how the cards normally are. This is because that's always going to be a good card, as you can tell. It's always going to be a shiny. And you immediately get a V card after that, which is not normal. 3 rare cards in the same pack. 3 of them. This is not normal. If you open packs and they're like this, then they are fake cards. Another way you can tell is from the back. If you get a fake Pokemon card and put it next to a real one, first thing you will notice is that the fake card is always worse quality than the real card, as well as the fact that the real card is lower, darker in color. That is another way you can check if they are fake. But these are not real. To prove that I did not mess with it, I will open this one on camera. You ready? I ripped it. Controlling cameras with one hand is difficult, alright? So this works as ASMR. Alright, and look. Barely opened it, and you can already see that the good card is turned. What card is it? It's a shiny. That's not how these card packs work. They're not done like that. Pokemon cards are not fair. Alright, look at this, look. A shiny and a V card in the same pack? It's a fake. You want to know how many of these I got? I'll show you. I got 2 of these, an Evolutions one as well. And all these cards are all fake. All of these V cards. What a ripoff.